evening everyone. Welcome to the Pantech learning. So this is Sankar Ganesh from Pantech learning. So welcome to all and welcome to this session. So in this particular session we was discuss about the artificial intelligence. Okay, so already we know about that. In our daily life we have to using in this particular technology like artificial intelligence technology in our day-by-day life. Repeatedly we have to be used. In this particular one of our session we will discuss so what is that exactly artificial intelligence, what is the difference between the AI and models, what are the applications is there, what are the types is there, and we will see with the two kind of examples also in this particular AI field. Okay, so before entering that I have to confirm my voice and screen and everything is fine. So any deviations is there or not? So if you have any deviations, kindly mention your comment in the particular chat box. Simon audible? Okay. So just a minute. Yeah. Yeah, okay, thank you, Beast for welcome to this team, and Mr. Praveen Gaming YT. Thank you, Ruben Maddy, thank you for your response. Nirmala Raghavan, thank you so much. Thank you for your response. So now we are entering the concept. So because I hope everything is clear, right? So if you have any deviations, kindly give a message in a chat box. Okay. So now we are entering. So artificial intelligence. So already we know about that because what is the exact meaning of the artificial intelligence means the particular machine it's mimic like a human, that is artificial intelligence, right? So example the ChatGPT, Gemini, the tool, some kind of tools is there. End of the session I will ask. So I think last session I will discuss in this particular one logos I have to show. So you can try to find out what kind of logo is that. Okay. So yeah. So before that yeah, okay, fine. Thank you for our responses, Gautam Raja and Pierre Mohammed. Yeah. Okay. So the particular mission. So before 20 years, we have to know any kind of things, any information means we can go and refer with some kind of technical people, or else some our friends, or else what's that? Our relative people. So anywhere we have to discuss. So I ready to buy a particular product like bike or car, any clothings. We have give us expect some recommendation from others, right? So now it's no needed. The technology was very improved. So we have to now I have to know one thing means directly I go with that one AI model like ChatGPT, Gemini, any one model I have to go and ask about the particular thing. They give a entire details about the particular concept. Okay. So before entering this, I will show an example for this. Okay, just now I said the theoretical way, like oral way, I have to set in this particular one. So I will show the example for this. So now I go with the ChatGPT. So already most of the people we have to using like a majority the college students also already you know how to use this particular ChatGPT and AI models. Oh, so just a minute. Yeah, okay. So now one model is there. So now I have to asking something. Okay, whatever it is means. Okay, so what is the trending? What is the trending bike? Okay, what is the trending bike in India or Indian market? So asking like this. So what is the trending bike in Indian market? Just an example I have to asking this one. So the ChatGPT model is provided the 2025 recent 2025 they have to give us some kind of suggestions like models like Hero Splendor Plus and Honda Shine and Hero HF Deluxe, Bajaj Pulsar 125, TVS Apache series and Royal Enfield Classic. So this kind of thing is a trending one. trending models and why it is good and why it is trending, this kind of thing, what and why. This question also they give an answer for this. So Hero Splendor is giving some kind of efficiency, high reliability, excellent fuel. So already we know because of the Splendor bike is having a near 60 kilometers per hour. Per kilometer. Sorry, it's per liter. Sorry, 60 kilometer per liter. They give a mileage. Same like a Honda Shine also, same like the 125cc, highest cc and comfortable. It's a family bike. And Deluxe also same like it's a look like a good and appearance also good. The youngsters are most of like. And 125 Bajaj Pulsar 125, so it's a recent trending one. So because of some movies, also they have to trend Apache series and Royal Enfield Classic. So like that way. So before 10 to 15 years, I have to go with it, asking some kind of people about this kind of models, bike, like related that. So now I have some kind of chat GPT models. I have to ask them here. So whatever it is, I have to ask. They give an answer for me. Okay. So now, so this kind of way we have to chat with this. Another thing, so most of the people so I also give a recall. It's a voice mode is there. So I don't need to talk, interact with them in a chat wise. I need to talk with them into the voice mode also. It is possible to work. Okay, so sorry, now you can see. First I turn off the mic. Okay, I go now. The model has to be ready to interact with me. Okay, so same question I have to ask him here. Hey GPT, how are you?
Hey there. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you? How's your day going?
Okay. So I need something. So you gave a favor for me. So what is the trending bike in Indian market?
Absolutely. Right now, the Hero Splendor Plus is still one of the most trending bikes in the Indian market, mainly because of its reliability, fuel efficiency, and affordability. Other popular choices include the Honda Shine 125 and the Bajaj Pulsar 125. If you need details on any specific type or budget range, just let me know.
Okay, so that was good. So can you suggest any um,
Of course, I'd be happy to help with suggestions. Just let me know what you're looking for, whether it's a specific type of bike, a budget range, or even features you're interested in. Just let me know.
Okay, so my budget was 1.5 lakhs. So which model is fit for me?
If you're looking for bikes under 1.5 lakh rupees, here are some great options. 1. Royal Enfield Hunter 350, around 1.5 lakh rupees. It blends classic styling with modern performance. 2. TVS Apache RTR 160, about 1.18 lakh rupees, popular for its performance and handling. 3. TVS N-Torque 150, starts at around 1.19 lakh rupees, a sporty scooter with great features. 4. Honda SP 125, around 94,000 rupees, a reliable commute with good mileage. And Hero Splendor Plus, starting at about 79,000 rupees. It's budget friendly and super fuel efficient. These prices can vary a bit depending on location and dealer offers, but these should give you a good starting point.
Okay, fine.
Glad you found it helpful. If you have any other questions or need more details on any of these bikes, just let me know. I'm here to help.
Yeah, I have a questions. So can you say the same thing in a Tamil language?
சரி, நான் தமிழில் சொல்லிக் கொடுக்கிறேன். நீங்கள் 1.5 லட்சம் ரூபாய்க்குள் வாங்கக்கூடிய பைக்குகள் என்னென்றால் ஒன்று ராயல் என்ஃபீல்ட் ஹண்டர் 350, சுமார் 1.5 லட்சம் ரூபாய்க்கு கிளாசிக் ஸ்டைலிங்கும் மாடர்ன் பெர்ஃபார்மன்ஸும் சேர்ந்திருக்கிறது. 2. டிவிஎஸ் அப்பாச்சி ஆர்டிஆர் 160, சுமார் 1.5 லட்சம் ரூபாய்க்கு பெர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ் மற்றும் ஹேண்ட்லிங்கில் பிரபலமானது. 3. டிவிஎஸ் என்டோக் 150, சுமார் 1.1 லட்சம் ரூபாய்க்கு ஸ்போர்ட்டி ஸ்கூட்டர் பல முன்னேற்றமான அம்சங்களுடன். 4,40,000 ரூபாய்க்கு நம்பகமான பைக்காக 5 ஹீரோ ஸ்ப்ளெண்டர் ப்ளஸ், சுமார் 79,000 ரூபாய்க்கு மிக பொருளாதாரமான மற்றும் எரிசக்தி சேமிப்பு அதிகமானது. இந்த விலைகள் இடம் மற்றும் டீலர் ஆஃபர்களின் படி கொஞ்சம் மாறலாம். இதில் இருந்து உங்களுக்கு பிடித்தது ஏதாவது இருந்தால் சொல்லுங்க.
Yeah, nothing. So thank you for your wordings. So we will meet next time. See you.
You're welcome. Glad I could help. We'll catch up next time. Take care and see ya.
Yeah, see you. So now we can see. So I have interact with the voice mode also. So now we can see that every word, my input and the model has to be said to me, say the answers, everything has been mentioned in a text format also. So they give us some model, bike range and budget and everything. So we classify the models individually, and you can see okay, fine, like that. So whatever I said, the same input has also executed in a text format. So after this convo, I have to see my history like that way. So we can read it, we can easily understand what we will discuss in this particular one. Okay. So this is the way we are interacting with our model. Okay. So same thing. So we can chat with our chat the bot also, as well as voice mode also. We have to interact with this particular model, like AI models. Okay. Just an example I have to show you. So next I have to entering into the concept. So we know the AI isn't mimic like a human. So without this kind of machine learning and deep learning model, we can't create the particular AI technology. Okay, now why I said that means I give an example. Now the cooking. Okay, we can take a cooking. We have to eat some kind of food. How the food is we can get? One thing we have to order. Otherwise we have to cook. Okay. So then the cooking process we needed some kind of methods. First thing we have the ingredients. We needed the particular dish ingredients. Then we have to fix the process, which kind of way we have to prepare the particular dish. This both is needed to make the particular final food product. So same like that here also, we need to create the AI technology. The machine learning and deep learning is most important one to create that particular AI technology. Okay, so that's why I give an example for this. So same like that, deep learning is to decide that what is the data exactly, the data is fit for our model or not. This kind of decision the deep learning has to be take. Then the machine learning to give the data into the training process, take the data into the training process. Once deep learning will fix the data, then you have the data has to be passed into machine learning. The machine learning is give a training process. Finally, we can get one particular AI product. That means the model, chatbot, like that. So next one is a deep learning, and that means same thing. The machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. The deep learning is a subset of machine learning. So the part the step by way, every machine learning and deep learning, how it is assigned. So what is that exactly? Already we know. So the method of making computer, they control the robot, a software think intelligently like the human mind. That is AI technology. What is the difference between the machines? There are two kind of machines, that is non-intelligent and intelligent one. So non-intelligent means they can't think individually, but the intelligent means they think individually. They can do, they can't do. That is the difference between the intelligent and non-intelligent. Because of the watch and bike, it is already known about that they have to fixed price. Operation, fixed process. The watch has to be rotated into the 24 hours. They have to do that. They have to oppositely do, or else it stop. Few seconds stop, and after they have to run like that way. They watch can't do that. But bike is not like that. Bike also same thing. Without human interaction, the bike can't drive in the road. Okay, the human only to change the gear and the clutch and everything we handle by a human. So that's why we mentioned they cannot think, cannot make decision, cannot do new things. That is non-intelligent machine. The intelligence also do that everything. So can think, can make decision, can do new things. So the car and the particular Siri, Alexa, Siri, that everything is intelligent because of they have to individually they have to work. The car has to be drive within the road means they are that without driver, without human action, the car has to be drive. So that time some kind of car, another car, or any pedestrian, or any kind of things interact with the particular car, they have to take a sudden decision. So first thing they have to think what we will do. Then they make a decision. So then you finally do that particular thing. So first thing they thinking about the process, then they take the decision. Finally is doing the particular decision. Okay, that is the way the car and Alexa and Siri, assistant, everything is working. This is the difference between the non-intelligent as well as intelligent machine. So next one is the types of AI. So what is the types of AI? That is 4 kind of types is that: purely reactive, limited memory, theory of mind, and self-aware. These are all the 4 kind of types is there. So anyone try to found the meaning of this one, like what is the purely reactive one? So anyone know about that? What is purely reactive? So most of the people give a thumbs up. So I can take it if you are listening. I can take it right way. So kindly said, what is the difference between the, what is that exactly purely reactive? You can find out any guess. I hope everyone is individually see that particular live, right? That's why everyone give a message, give a response for me. So kindly say the answer for this also. What is purely reactive? So you can see the picture, you can easily say the answer for this. Okay, so no one can willing to say the answer. Okay, I was continue. So the machines don't not have any memory, data, work with that, and specialization based on the one field of work. So what is the meaning of this means? It is working like one particular field. That means example of chess game or board game we have to take. So in the particular games we have to play with that human as well as computer. Human to human means it is already we know. So as I said, both are we know, we have knowledge how to play the game. They need, they know. Same like that, the human and the machine interaction or playing the game, that is different. The machines don't have a previous memory. They fully based on played based on the human's action, like human's move. Now my computer has to be playing the chess means. Now based on my moves, the computer has to be played against me. Okay, so that is the purely reactive. So you can see the picture, you will give the answer for this. Okay, so next one is a limited memory. So limited memory also same like that. They have a some kind of memories. They have stored the memories in the based on our previous data. Past data, they have to store in the particular data. In next time, they have to give any kind of recommendations. They take it the memory and use of it. Okay, that is the way the limited memory has to be work. For an example, the Swiggy, Zomato, this kind of applications is there. Already we know about that. Swiggy and Zomato. So today we have ordered one kind of food. So what kind of food? Anything. So biryani or else some kind of burger, pizza, whatever it is. We have to order one kind of food today. I have to order and get and eat that, and now today work is finished. So next time, tomorrow I have to entering in the particular application. So that time the applications, Swiggy or Zomato or what is that, any other thing, cooker, so any kind of applications is there, they give a recommendation for me. So because of yesterday I choose a particular restaurant, in that particular restaurant providing given some kind of offers as a new dish they have to introduce. So like that recommendation, first of all they have to give a suggestion for me based on my previous data. And first preference, the application has to be given particular previous data, like yesterday's restaurant. Everything is happened in my previous data. So that's why we can say this is a limited memory one. Okay. So next one is the theory of mind and self-aware. Theory of mind is fully worked on our based on our humans' emotion. This kind of AI can understand thoughts and emotions as well as interact socially. However, a machine based on this type is yet to be built. Okay, this kind of AI can understand thoughts and emotions. Example, we have to take the Snapchat and the Instagram filters. Because of the Snapchat is having varieties of filters in that particular application, right? That is funny filter, horror filter, games also there, and then beauty filters, everything is there. So one kind of most trending and familiar one, everyone you know about that, like students, right? The puppy filter is there, like the two sides, the ears and tongue. So once I open my mouth, the tongue has to be came out. So like that way, the snap filter will be applicable based on our emotion. Once I open my mouth, then only the tongue will be there. So otherwise, it's not came out. So that's it is fully working like in based on my face emotion, face movement. That's why we say it's a theory of mind one. Another one, the B612 application is there. So late 2K kids, you know about that. Okay, like 2000 to 2003, that's kind of generations, you know. B612 is one of the application is there, that is fully having the filters. It is a camera, it look like a camera, one camera application, B612. Lots of filters is there, same like a Snapchat. So it is a before version of Snapchat, like that way we have to take. So this is a theory of mind. Next one is a self-aware. Self-aware is that it's a future generation. So this previous three types already exist in our real world, our current world. But self-aware is a future generation because of it is not AI is mimic like a human, that is a look like a human, that is self-aware one. Okay. So this is the types of AI technologies. Okay. So next one, how does AI work? So how the AI has to be in work this kind of way. So this is the process. So how it is working means, first thing we need data. Without data we can't do anything, right? So I think you are a CSE students, you know. So what is data means? I have to share my knowledge and share my information. It's considered into the computer wise, that is called as a data. Okay, as a human we give a name, different names, that is news, information, knowledge sharing, so everything, anything we have to say. But computer only take it like that. Any kind of things they consider as a data. Numbers, text, anything is having, that is a data. Okay. So here first we can take the data, then the particular data has to be trained to, pre-processing the data. That means our needed features, needed data only there or not. For example, I have to choosing one particular domain AI, that is car AI or bike, any kind of thing AI I have to choose. So that full and full AI is focusing on the particular car related details they have, images and the car details, everything is there in that particular AI. I have to prepare this kind of AI. Okay. So but I need only car details only I need. So the particular data is contains only car details, or any other details is there or not. So we have to find understanding about the data. That is the pre-processing. We have to check the checking process is the pre-processing one. The duplicate data is also there or not. Null values is there or not, or else any other data, say unwanted data are present in here or not. Like that way we have to check, that is pre-processing. Next we are going to training process. That is, this is the training. It's our model, AI model. We have to create and give a training. Finally we have to evaluate the model. So we give asking one kind of question. So I need details about the Audi car. So the model has to be search the answer and give it to me. So this is the details to your question, like that way. Okay, this is the way the AI has to be in work. So next one we have go with that way of implementing of AI. So already we know. So deep learning and machine learning. Machine learning that gives the AI the ability to learn. This is done by using algorithms to discover the pattern and generate the insights from the data. So the deep learning, which is a subcategory of machine learning, provides AI with the ability to mimic a human brain's neural network. So already I said, the deep learning is controlling the data and you take a decision, the data is fixed or not. The same process has to be do like a human brain. Our entire body, the human has to be controlling our body, right? So that's why I said the deep learning is working like a human's brain. So next one we go with that machine learning. The machine learning is the training process to learn the computer. That is the training process. So in this particular training process, we are using multiple algorithms and module names, types, everything we have to use. Okay, this is the way of implementing in machine learning and deep learning, like AIs. So what are the components of AI? So already we know components. So machine learning and deep learning. So already we know the NLP and the computer vision is added on. Generally we have taken any one particular AI model means we need these four. Okay, like now we can see the ChatGPT, right? The ChatGPT is containing the deep learning also is there, and the deep machine learning concept is there, NLP concept is there, and the computer vision concept is there. The deep learning first is understanding the data, what kind of data we have to give them particular model. Machine learning for training purpose. Already it helps to train the data. Here again we have to use. Next, NLP and computer vision is NLP is a natural language processing to understanding the real world language, real time language. So as a human, inside the human we have a multiple barriers, language barriers. So now I am here means I can speak in English and Tamil as well as little bit know the Malayalam. Okay, same like here. Now I can speak with in Hindi means you will not understand. So anyone to speak with me in Kannada or Gujarati, any kind of other language I can't understand. So inside the human this kind of language barriers is there, but the computer is fully different. The computers can only understand the numbers only, 0 or 1s. That kind of numbers only they have to understand. So but what we will do? As a human we know only common language, that is English. So I have to give an input for my model means I give it in the English, like type like in English words and say it in English. That's only I know. I can't say it into the number way. So computer can only understand number. So in this we can avoid this kind of barrier using the NLP process, that is natural language process. It helps to human language to computer understandable, computer language into the human understandable. That is NLP concept. So next we can go with the computer vision. The computer vision is help to see the real world objects with the help of computer. Computer can see the real world objects, the camera can helps to see that. Okay, so now I have to create an image or give an image on kind of, we have to convert it into the another image. So whatever it is I have tried to convert that. So recent trending thing one is that I think everyone you know, the nano banana. The nano banana AI helps to convert the image into the realistic one, like a 3D frame like that. I think I have one image I will show you. So you can see, wait a second. So you can see this is a nano banana image. So I can give one kind of one person's image. They create the image like this format. They create the image like this format. Okay, no? So this is the way you have to convert the image. This is also AI model. The AI has to create this kind of image. So realistic 3D toy look like a toy one, and the background the one image frame is there, and computer can also contain the particular image. Okay, so like that way we have to convert the particular image into these different frame or different type like that. So everything is happened in the AI model. We have give a proper command, a proper prompt, they give an image, they convert the image like any kind of format. Okay, so everything is contains that is called as artificial intelligence. Okay, so next we can go with that applications of AI technology. What are all the applications is there? Yeah, so weight prediction. So first thing, weight prediction based on the height and gender. Fake news detection using NLP concept, that is news is real or fake. A language translator helps to converting the one language into the another language. And image classification using CNN, that is also image processing, the computer vision concept. Then leaf disease detection using deep learning to help to provide the image. The image contain the leaf the leaf is affected the disease or not. Traffic sign recognition, fingerprint authentication, face detection, and then agent general detection, face emotion recognition, and the QR code recognition, cartoonify image with OpenCV. Everything will happen in the AI technology. With the help of the AI, we have to create this kind of things. Next one is AI use in our daily life. Nirmala Raghavan, ChatGPT and or Perplexity is based on machine learning or deep learning. So both are is needed, man. The both are is a ChatGPT. It's a chatbot models, right? ChatGPT and Perplexity both are chatbot models. Before our using purpose, they have to using deep learning concept and machine learning concept, because of we have asked anything, any kind of thing. So we can give a prompt to generate the image, so everything also we can create. So that both models has to be contained within deep learning as well as machine learning, because it's a subset. Without the both, we can't develop the particular model, AI model. Okay, most of us the deep learning can handle the data, right? So now we can see Okay, I give a perplexity. I go with the perplexity AI. Here I give a prompt like a, can you generate the image? Generate the image like the dog plays in the terrace. Just a basic prompt I have to give. Like, can you generate the image like the dog plays in the terrace? So based on my prompt, the model has to be generate one kind of image. So now we will wait for that. So almost it done. So now we can wait. So you can see, so the image has to be created. The dog will place in the particular terrace. So I am not mentioning any location, sunny or day or night, or sunny or cloudy. Not mentioning, just a given prompt like the dog place to be terrace, like that only. So the other things, the model has to be in own way. They have to think and do that things. So based on the image wise, multiple rated image also they have to prefer, like, give a suggestion to us. Okay, now. So now we can go with that concept. So that this is the way the AI has to be worked. Then AI used in our daily life. How the AI is using to our daily life. So already we know the social medias, every social medias. So like everyone can think this one, right? So today morning have think about one, I think or talk about one kind of concept like trip related or any money related or business related, any kind of thing we have to talk about that. In that particular evening or night time, the same concept, the same idea, they give a feed like in our social medias. So everyone has to be think like that, right? So everyone can experience this one also. So in night time, the most of the thing, the depressed related reels are there. In that entire day, anywhere, any 1 minute or any one place, you have to discuss about the particular one. So you talk about the love failure thing or any depressed thing. You can say it like I'm not interested in this life, like that way. So in casual day, we have to say that word. That particular word, your mobile phone has to be listen the every words. Okay, like that. That's why every social medias has to be give them suggestion, give them feed to your thinking thing. I mean, what is that? Your thinking ideas and everything, they have to give a suggestion, like feeds also. Okay, so this is the way the Instagram, I mean every social media is working like that. Every application is a AI integrated one. It is not fully trained with the AI. It's a AI integrated application. Okay, and Google Maps. So it's the best one. So today anywhere we have to go, give a destination in the map, and automatically we find out the way and we can follow the navigate the particular location. Automatically we can go to reach a particular destination. And we can find out the nearest mall, nearest temple, nearest tourist place, and nearest petrol pump, nearest hotel. Everything we have to find out in that particular application of Google Map. It's easy to help to find the way of our destination or anything. Next one is YouTube. Like that also is one of the social media application. So which one you repeatedly see, the particular one is repeatedly give it, like this based on the genre wise they give a post or feeds everything. So now here the CWC is there and Parida Bangal, like that, they things is there. Or comedy genres you mostly like, that means every movie's comedy scenes only they collect and they give a suggestion like one by one. Okay. And next is Snapchat. So already I said this. Sorry. So here the Snapchat helps to take a photo as well as chat with our friends. So now I give a hello, like on hello word. Now I directly go with that my avatar, like emojis or avatar. My avatar say the hi to my brother's avatar. So I can convert the hello like this. Start the conversation like this format also. Okay, it's most helpful to some, like most helpful to the boys also. So we can, most of the boys you don't know how to start the convo with your partner or your opponent person. You can try with this. It's the best idea to help and start the conversation, right? Okay, so next, we can go with that Spotify application. Spotify is a music application everyone we can use. So here you can search any kind of thing, you can search and find out the particular song based on the music director name or singer name or hero name, or else the song's middle line also you can give that. Automatically the songs you can get, particular song you can get, right? So these are all the domains that AI can be captured, starting with the cyber security and education department, social media, and healthcare, education, right? Cinema industry, production industry. Sorry. Agriculture industry, chatbots, and the space industry, and transportation, shopping. In everywhere, the particular AI application has to be captured one by one. The cyber security helps to to prevent the hacking, right? And education, like document verification, social media, already we know social medias. In cinema industry, most of the way, because of the particular person is not existing in world now, but they can create the character like that, look like that same person. So recent movies you can watch, right? Like recent the goat movie, you can see the captain. So, and also so multiple movies, so the person is not exist, but they have to recreate the particular person, the character, as well as the de-aging technology that also is very familiar recent movies. Okay, so everywhere the AI is captured in one by one. Okay, so now it's your turn. We can come to this place in end of the session. Now we can go with that. I will showing the two kind of examples. One is a personal assistant. I will show you how the assistant can be do my comments, do my work with my audio voice comment. I can't do anything in a physical activity way. I can say my words, I mean say my command in a audio voice. My assistant can receive my command and do that action. Okay, how it has happened. So basic thing I have to show, like social media applications I have to open, as well as local things, local storage, local files I can access, music, videos, photo, as well as sorry, then what was that, so this kind of system files I can access. Okay, so now I can show you. I can open the particular application, Visual Studio Editor, Visual Studio Code. So you can see here, so it's a basic one. How it is working in starting to ending means they start with the greetings. Based on my command wise, they start with the greetings. Okay. Yeah. First is said the greetings like a good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Based on the time wise, they have to give a greeting, and then is introduce himself, his name, and what can I help today. Like that way they ask starting this conversation. Then based on my command wise, they have to work. Okay. First I run this, then how the process happened I will explain. Okay, now you can see here.
Good afternoon, myself Jarvis sir. Please tell me how can I help you today?
So you can see, so now good afternoon, because of afternoon time, and then it is said like his name is Jarvis and is asking to me what kind of help you today. So it is this is the way they have to start with the conversation. So again you can see the listening, recognition. Next one, the user said, so I am a user. So now what I try to speak, now I speak with you, like speak with you. So what that every words has to be in the microphone, like my assistant has to be listen and give that wordings in text format. So if I not say anything means they give again it comes to listening, recognizing, and say that again, because I am not said anything. So they asking to me, you can say anything like that, come again please, like that way. Okay, so when the listening will came, that time only I have to start my say my command. That time only the system has to be ready to listen my command. Next thing is going to the recognizing process. This repeatedly happen. Okay, so based on the particular time wise I have to set my command. Okay, so we will wait for next listening. Okay, open YouTube. I can start with that on individual process. Now I said open YouTube. Automatically the YouTube platform, like YouTube social media, has to be opening like this. Okay, so I am not doing anything. Just now I said like touch the cursor. Again on my words the YouTube word is that. Every time I say the repeated words, the YouTube particular application has to be open. Okay, so now I minimize this. Now I go with that next one. So every social media I have to open. Next I said like oh, okay, WhatsApp. I said like WhatsApp. Okay, we will wait for next one. Yeah, open WhatsApp. So you can see automatically the WhatsApp has to be open. I'm not doing anything. So automatically they do that action. So I can stay in the same page. Now I said the next one. So another tab has to be open for the next one, right? Okay. Open Stack Overflow. You can see I'm not minimize the one. Same window is here. Automatically by command only they have to receive. In backend process, like behind the process, the assistant has to be waiting for my commands. Okay. So next I have to go with that open Instagram. Okay, again I have to set open Instagram. So you can see automatically the Instagram application has to be open. Next I go with that open Google. Open Google. Yeah, because I am staying in the same page, so I don't know when the listening will came. So that's why I have to say it multiple times. So I am here in this particular place, so I can see. So when the listening will came, when I have to say the word like that. Okay. So this is the way the web browser applications, web application I have to open, like social media applications. Then I have to go with that local files. Okay. So system files I have to open, starting with the music. Okay. Yeah, play music. You can see. So I have fixed this Apple iPhone ringtone. So that's why I said the play music, automatically the song has to be, the music has to be played. Here, okay, so I have stopped this process. Here we can changing the song also. So but we have to do one kind of process in this place. So the one is there means I are changing like into the 0. So now again I have to run this one.
Good afternoon.
Starting with
Myself
the same
Jarvis,
thing.
sir. Please tell me how can I help you today?
They have to start with same thing. So starting in greetings and introduce yourself like that. Now I said play music. So you can see the song has to be played. So based on my command, now I changing the position of the particular song. I have 3 kind of songs. So you can see the first one, the God Bless You, and iPhone ringtone, and an already song. So I have 3 kind of songs. So I have to change the position of the song. Automatically the song has to be played. Okay. So this is the way the music will be there. So next we have go with the photo. Open photo. So you can see automatically the photo has to be open it here. So our Pantech, building is has to be shown. So next we can go with that presentations. I can try to open one kind of presentation. Oh yeah, wait. Open PPT. So you can see in this particular presentation, a basic plain presentation has been open. Because I give the give that URL in that particular presentation, I have to show that particular place, I mean URL. That's why this presentation has been open. Okay. So next one, I go with that bending on the video only, right? So yeah, wait for the next one. Open video. Yeah. So now, okay. Same thing. The video has been opened.
Environments. AI agents are like brains for machines. They come in 5 types. Simple reflex.
So because of sometimes it's happened. Okay. So because of the bug, so the window has to be not maximized. Just it is open, but it is not maximized the window. That's why. So sometimes it's happened. Okay. So this is the way every process we have to done. Okay. So video, photo, PPT, play music, Instagram, social media application, everything we have to done. So it is a basic assistant. We have to develop this one like what's that? Improving into the send the mail and send the message. And now I have to change the song like position, right? We have to update this. We can create a personal assistant like into okay. Still it is listening, so that's why on the flow I have to say the words. Automatically it's executed. So everything is happened to update the musics. Like say the song name, automatically the song has to be played like that way. So now I have to stop this one means I said these 3 kind of words. So like this one, first one, or second one, third one. Any one I said, automatically the listening process will be stopped. Okay, still the listening recognizing will happen, right? Okay, now I can set here quit. So you can see I said quit, automatically the process has to be stopped. It's not again do that same thing. It's not start. Now it's not ready to listen. Okay, now this is the way we have to create the personal assistant. Okay. So what are the major libraries is needed for this means first thing, just a minute. Okay. Yeah. So now these are the major libraries which helps to create the particular personal assistant. Okay. So Pantech series helps to generate the voice for my system, for our system. Then speech recognition to understanding the words from user. So now the system has to be understand my words. That's why I using speech recognition. And the import date and time is to what is the current date and the current time of this one. Next one is the web browser. So import web browser. So web browser means now I using the social media application in like web pages. So with help of a web browser module, we have to assigning the youtube.com like that. So here youtube.com, google.com, like that way the web browser to accessing the URL automatically is opening the particular website. And OS means it's the operating system like local storage we have to accessing with help of this library. So in this process we have to initializing the voice. So Sapify model helps to create the voice and get the property of voices. Here we can change the 2 kind of voice, male voice and female voice. 0 is a male voice and 1 is a female voice. Okay, changing the 1. Now we can see, oh sorry. Okay, now try this 178.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
The rate means it is a slow motion of the voices. I have to give it into 280.
Good afternoon, myself Jarvis sir. Please tell me how can I help you today?
Okay, so this is the way the voice has to be speed up or slow up like 2x 1x we said, right? 0.5x like that way we have to fix it our voice. So now I set and run this again 200. I think it is a medium range.
Good afternoon, myself Jarvis sir. Please tell me how can I help you today?
Okay, so like that way they have to set. So otherwise it's repeated process, listening, recognizing is processed same like that. Next we can go with that speak audio. So here the engine has to be try to speak. First is give a greetings, then he's waiting for my commands. There's a run and wait. Then you have to give a wishing. The wishing is helps to one by one, that is good morning, good afternoon, like based on the timing wise. So it is a 0 to 12 means midnight 12 to afternoon 12, that is a morning time. After 12 to 6 it is a afternoon time, right? So 18 is represented 24 hours like railway times. 18 is a 6 o'clock, evening 6 o'clock. After 6 they said it's a good evening one. Evening based on the real time, current time wise it is executed. So this is a give a greetings, okay? So next take waiting for my commands. Take the command like a listening process. When the listening will came, we can set to our command. And recognizing means to understand the language and the execute the process. And user said what the user try to say, give it in a text format. Exception also same, like it is not understand my words. They once again is give a say that again please. So come again, we flow the set on the floor, we have to say come again, same like that. Here say that again please. So next we have the main initial process, that is one by one steps, the commands. The query is take the command like so YouTube means is execute the YouTube, Google means execute the Google. Already we know the if else, so based on the condition is true is executed, otherwise go on to the next places. Okay, so everything will same like that. So music, time, PPT, photo, video, and see you, everything will happen. This is the way the person assistant has to be in work. Okay. So next we can go with that next one, that is object detection. That is one of the interesting things. So real time camera we have to use to accessing the real world things. Okay. So now I have to go with that object detection. I have to open in the folder. Okay, now you can see here two kind of way we have to detect the objects. One is the real world camera we have to use and identify the real time objects, and next one we have to using images. In that particular image what all the objects is present, so we have to find out that. Okay, first we will see in image wise. So two kind of sources I have to initialize here. So you can see it here. So first thing, import system, that is a system related one, because every models, images, everything will be there in my system, local system. And CV2 is an image processing, that means computer vision. With the help of the image and the camera, everything is there, that is under computer vision concept. And Ultralytics, it decided the version of the YOLO. Ultralytics, the YOLO is our you only look once, like that model. So it helps to create the particular object detection concept. It's a better, give a better output and better accuracy. That's why we can use the object detection like YOLO in this place. So import CV2 like from Ultralytics, it helps to decide the version of the YOLO. Then we have load it our model. It is a pre-trained model. We can't train the model in the manual way. It's taken too much time. So that's why we can using the pre-trained model it here. They have a two kind of pre-trained model. One is a YOLO V8, YOLO V10. So now I tried to check the V10 model here. The V8 model already working properly. So V10 is a next, advanced version of this particular YOLO model. So I try this. It is properly find out the objects or not. Okay. So this is our initialized model. And source is the image. So what is kind of way we can detect the object? First we can try to find out the image wise. In that particular image, what are the object is there? The model has been decided. So it is object is name is like this. So name person means person, mobile means mobile, system means system, like that way. So next thing, it is initializing process. So it is a webcam means it is go with that in this process. So read the real time camera with help of the read the frame and execute the frame to check the model. What are the frames is there? So how many times the frame has to be hold, that kind of things. In case it's an image once means automatically go with that else process. Here the image will be read. In case the image is not properly assigning means inserted means automatically go with that could not load the image, like that way. Then or else the image has automatically properly rejected means you can go with the resizing image and check the image inside the objects. The object has to be deleted like this. Here the 0 means it is the some kind of 0 means say infinity. We can represent any numbers some, I mean few seconds only the image has to be hold. Now I represent to the 100. Okay, now we can see how many times the particular image has to be hold. So what are the image I have to load it here means the room people.jpg. Here the room people image is there. I have to open this. So in this image we have to detect the objects. So around I think 8, right? So around 8 people is there, and one table is there, and 3 to 4 laptops is there, and one mobile phone, and 2 cup, I mean kettle like that, and one chair is there. So how many things they have to detect? We have to find in this one. So in this image we have to load it here. Our model will detect the objects or not. So we will check. So once I run this, we can see. So we wait for some time because the image has been loaded. So you can be aware and notice the screen because only few seconds only the image has to be hold. Now you can see the image will be showed and immediately it is disappear. It is hide. So you can see the 8 persons, 4 cup and 1 chair, 1 dining table, 4 laptop, 1 cell phone. So these kind of objects are there in that particular image. And the next one is the speed of the particular image showing, pre-processing of the meters, inferences and the post-processing, everything will be there, and pixel values are also represented in this particular place, frame rates. So what will I do to hold the particular image? So I can go with that, changing the frame, that is 0 means it is infinity. I give the 0 means that is infinity 1. Again I run this, you can see this time the image has to be hold. When I was close the image, still it is hold the image. Okay, yeah, you can see the image has to be this open here. So you can see the persons, I think it's a 8 persons, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this person will hide, so because of the frames. And so cell phone, here the one cell phone, 1, 2, 3, 4 laptops, the folded laptop only are there, and behind the chair is also detected, and 2 cup is here. So most of the visible and accurate frames they has to be detected here. Okay, so now I close this, how many things is detected, so everything will be there in here. So now I change the image like animal.jpg or street image. We can try with the street image. Okay, everything is a JPG model, so format. I try with that street image. I save this and again run. This time the street image, what the exactly street image is there, what are the objects inside the street image, they have to find out. So you can see the some kind of person has to be detected, and the 3 to 4 cars has to be detected, 1 bus will be detected. So one here we cannot visible means we can check it here. So 4 person, 5 car and 1 bus, this kind of object is properly detected because it is accuracy of the particular ranges of the particular objects. Okay, now so this is the way the object detection has to be done. So this is the image wise. So the next I have to go with that webcam. So now I have to close this source and go with that, open the webcam source. So what is the 0 means? It is a frame device of the particular sensing device. That is system camera I have to use means I can mentioning to the 1, I mean 0. Webcam I have to use means that is 0, 1. Confused like this. 0 means it's the system default camera. 1 means there's another web camera. Okay. First we can try with that 0 and run this. So real-time camera will access and open in the real-time camera and hold it that. You can see here. Okay, what is it exactly it's happened? Okay, now I try to run this one. Okay, I need help with your camera because troubleshooting. Okay, so some kind of errors will be there. I have to check with my camera to accessing device it here. Okay, now I try to 0. So already I try this one. So once again I try this, it is help executed or not. So same problem has to be faces in here also. Okay, so some kind of issues in my camera access. Already I using this camera into my real-time capturing, so that's why it's happened to execute it. Once I resolve this error, and I have to show you how it is happened like that. I like working. Okay, so this is the way the object detection and everything will be working. Okay, now you understand what I try to say. So now we came into the particular your time. So I was showing this on 6 objects, 6 logos. So try to find out the name of the particular logos. So you can see there is a 6 kind of logos is there. So anyone can find out the name of the particular logos. So which one is which? So first one name is what, and the second one is what, and the third one is what. I think first 3 is easy. So most of the people know about this. So you can easily try that, say the answer for that. The 4th, 5th, 6th, little more tough. Try to find out the answer for this. So not only now, so later we will share it in our LinkedIn page, the LinkedIn page link also, we will share it in a chat box. So just a minute. Third one is a chat GPT, okay. 6th one is a bot. No. Bot, any chat bot is there? No. Thunder Squad Gaming. Third one is okay, chat GPT, fine. That is right. 6th is not, it's a wrong one. So try to find out the answer. So what about others? Okay, now you try. So we have a time. So now you try to find out. Okay, second one is a Gemini. Super Sigma scenes. Super nice answer. So everyone said like one by individual, one by one. No one can set into say overall names. So you can take at a little it's a small task. Okay. So once you've got the every image, once you got the every logo's name, you can assigning one by one. So first one is this kind of second one is the second one name, third one name, fourth one. Once you take the screenshot in this place, in this frame, in this page, you can take the screenshot and share it your answer in our community, LinkedIn community. We will share it the LinkedIn community link it here. You will have to share. So once take the screenshot it and share your answer in that particular page. The one is a Canva. No, it's not a Canva. It's look like a C. The C once you can see the saw the particular C character, you can think like a Canva. No, it's not a Canva. Try. So 2 things we can got. Second one is a Gemini, third one is a ChatGPT. That was right. So what is the first one? So it's that also a very familiar one. So not now only you can say the answer. You share your answer in our LinkedIn page. You will share it in a link in that particular chat box. Okay. So just a minute. Yeah, first one is the Perplexity. Yeah, exactly. Thunder Squad Gaming. First one is the Perplexity. Second one is the Gemini. Third one is the ChatGPT. So these 3 are very familiar till now. Trending one also. That's why I said it's a easy. So what about next one, 4, 5, 6? Okay, so what happened? It's a very simple task. So don't forget. So we will share this task in a group, your WhatsApp group also. So you can post your answer in a group, or else our LinkedIn page or our Google review. So anywhere you can post it your answer. So now I hope everyone can understand this one. Today we can discuss about the what is artificial intelligence, what are the types, what are the applications, what are the projects we have to using in that particular one. So we will discuss it repeatedly, and I will show you two kind of projects. So personal assistant creation, how to create the personal assistant, and object detection, YOLO object detection. These two kind of projects we will discuss. We will discuss. Praveen Eager, fourth one is a co-pilot. No, it's not a co-pilot. Yeah, exactly. Thunder Squad Gaming. Fifth one is a Camo Cappy. That is one of the chatbot, personal virtual chatbot. Camo Cop. Super nice. Same like that, you can find out the answer now, or else you can tell later. So individually you can give that every 6 logos, you can find out the answer. Try to find out. So I hope you understand this concept. If you have any doubts, you can contact this particular number, mobile number, and I will share it my mail ID also. So you can any doubt, you can contact anywhere or any time. We will wait for your queries and your doubts. I hope you understand this today's concept. Do you have any suggestions about my technical content wise, or what is that? Presentation wise, communication wise, anything I have to improve, you can share it your reviews in a link. So we will share the review link, and as well as your group also, you can share it your link. That is very most helpful for us and me also. So now you have any doubt, you can ask. So still we have a 5 more minutes, we have time. Yeah. So now you have any doubts, you can ask, and most important one, you can don't forget your attendance link. Okay. So then only we can give a certificate to you. So kindly give your attendance. So you don't have any doubts, we can leave. Sixth one is a perplexity. No. Praveen here already the Thunder Squad Gaming said the answer for this. First one is a perplexity. Sixth one is a not perplexity. Okay, so no, not now only. So you can take time, you take some time and take a screenshot of this one. It helps to find out your answer. Okay, I hope everyone can understand. So thank you for this opportunity. So next time we got a chance, we will meet the next session. So if you have any doubts, you can contact this number anytime. So we will reply. I wait for you. Thank you all. Thank you so much. Thank you for your attention and listening. We will meet in the next session, and see you.